What's going on, everybody? It's the day before Thanksgiving. Man, we got the pellet grill fired up. We got a griddle we're fixing to cook on here in just a little bit, but we're going to focus on the pellet grill. We're fixing to cook something, and it's going to be delicious. We're going to make an apple pie on the pellet grill. Now, you can do this in the oven. It's the same thing. It'll be great. The pellet grill is just a good wood-fired oven, basically a wood-fired convection oven. Hey, if you can use that, why use the oven? But if you don't have one, hey, the oven's perfectly fine. These apple pies are really simple. I think it's just a few ingredients. We're going to go over that here in just a second. Gonna be awesome. Now, me and Junebug's made some before. He's over here getting everything ready. And we loved them so much, we figured, hey, we had to share them with y'all. So let's show you what we're going to be cooking with. But before we do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. And if you feel like supporting us, there's a PayPal link down below too. Check out all our other playlists, and let's get this thing started. Junior's got everything laid out for us over here. First thing, if you're going to make apple pie, well, you got to have apples. So we've already cut some up. As you see, some of these they're sliced pretty thin. They're not real thick. So we got maybe about 2 pounds there sliced up. And of course, we got sugar, some cinnamon, and cornstarch. Now, the amounts are in the directions or the description down below. So check it out. And of course, you got to have a pie pan and 2 pie crusts, one for bottom, one for top. And a knife and a whisk. So I'll tell you what, let's get all this stuff mixed together. Junebug, you want to do the honors for us? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and dump the cinnamon over here in the sugar. And we're going to dump the cornstarch in the cinnamon and sugar. Get it all in there. There you go. All right, let's get it all mixed up good together. Mix it really good. You want to make sure it gets all good, and then we're going to take it and coat all them apples in this. Think that's good? Mm-hmm. All right, dump it on the apples and let's get it all coated good. Now you want to make sure, now we could put a lid on this container and just shake it up really good, but he's going to do it by hand. He's just going to take it and just mix this up by hand. And yes, he did wash his hands. You didn't you? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, he's sure. Just get them apples good and coated. Make sure they're coated everywhere. And when we get that done, we're going to put it in the pie filling. Now, I don't know if you can tell or not, but look how juicy they're becoming. That sugar and stuff is starting to pull that juice out of them apples, and man, this is going to be so good. All right, they're like they're coated pretty well, so now what we got to do is get our bottom liner put in the pan. So let's get that done. All right, now we got to put our pie crust in the pan. So Junebug now is going to do this. Let's get some of this paper out of his way. Now this is a 9-inch pie pan. We bought some 9-inch crusts. So we're gonna have a little extra hanging over. And that's okay, that's kind of what we want. Kind of form it to the pan there. Like he's doing. Now comes the fun part. We gotta put these apples. These apples right here, yes. Into the pie crust. All right, Junebug. And you can dump them in there, you can put them in your hand in there, I don't care. Just make sure they get in there. Now, put as many apples as you want to, but you want to make sure it's filled up. All right, let's try that. Spread them out, see what you got. Now, if there's any left over, you could just make maybe some tarts or something out of them. I might be able to put a few more in there. What you think? Yeah, think so? Okay. Never hurts. Can you have too many apples in an apple pie? No? What's going to happen is it's going to start cooking down and filling in some of them voids. And it's going to be so good. Just take your hand in and rake it out of there, bud. And then we'll just put the top crust on there and we'll be ready. Now these are just the Walmart brand pie crust. I mean, you can get the better ones if you want to. We don't really see nothing wrong with these. There you go. All right, see your edges up. Kind of roll them under like we did the other day there, Junebug. So we made a pie the other day just to see how we wanted to do this, and guess what? It turned out really good. And this is simple pie. I mean, it's a simple ingredients. We have the grill already heated up to about 400 degrees. So do your oven, your grill, however you want to do it, and just slide the pie on there. And there it is. And we're gonna let this thing cook for roughly about, I don't know, 45, 50 minutes, and we're gonna come back and check it. Well, it's been right at an hour, and I think this thing is done. So we're gonna take this up. Hey, look at that. See how juicy that is down in there? Oh, wow. We're gonna take it up, let it cool a little bit, and we're gonna try this out. And I'm ready. Well, just look at that right there. It's ready. You ready to do this? All right, let's cut into it. Junebo's gonna cut into it. We're gonna try a piece of this out. We got a brand new pie. What's this thing? A pie spatula, I guess you call it? We've never tried one before. We always just use a knife. We're trying to get fancy. Look at us being fancy. Yeah. Oh, look at that juice in that thing. Hi, Jumbo. Get that piece out of there. Put it on a plate. Let's see this thing. Let's see how this is gonna look. Well, that crust is falling apart so good. Oh yeah, look at there. Now that is a homemade apple pie. Get a big old dollop of ice cream to put on that thing. All right, Jumbo, pick it up and try it out. You want to try a piece too?
Yeah.
Okay, if she wants to try a piece too, get her some on a plate. Tootie here is going to try it. Wait a minute, dude.
Apple pie?
This is apple pie. Homemade apple pie. Ooh, now Tootie's is looking real thick. Look at that. Mmm. All right. Y'all bite into it. Let me know what you think.
Don't say anything because I don't want you to spoil it.
Okay, Tootie don't want to spoil it. Well, he's still chewing, so. Well. Oh, she's giving a thumbs up. She ain't talking. Is it hot? Is it still hot? Is it? That's good like that, though, isn't it? You know what we need now?
You did this on the smoker?
We did. We put on a pellet grill. Me and Junior did. We made it from well. Huh?
It tastes so smoky.
It tastes. It don't. Well, does it? Okay.
Taste it.
No, I'm good. I'll taste some in a minute. Do y'all like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So tell everybody what I got to do now.
Like, subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down below what you want us to do next time. And hashtag Crazy Crew if you want to be part of the Crazy Crew.
That's right. So y'all check out our other videos too. We got a lot of other recipes too, don't we? Yeah. These kids right here, they love to do some cooking.
If you want to see all those videos, hit the notification bell and you'll get notified of all our videos we do.
There you go. There you go. Hit that bell. That's right, Tootie. I tell you what, they're going to finish off this pie. We need to go get some ice cream, don't we? Yeah, some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream. All right, y'all get all that done. We're gonna get this done. And we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.